Hello guys, this is the sixth day of solving a DSA question until I get a good job. And today I'm going to solve this another easy question, which is number 26. Let me quickly get to the screen. So yes, the question is about to remove duplicate from a sorted array. Basically, I have done this type of question in my Python journey, like in my Python course, where I have to remove duplicates from a list. Was not the same question, but kind of similar question. I'm will try to use the same logic here. But after I read the question, I just understand I have not only have to just delete the duplicates, I have to return how many numbers, how what is the length in the uh, what is the length of unique list. Okay, so for that uh, I will simply first create a empty list, which I will give name it as u is an empty list. Then what we will going to do, uh, we will just search if the number is in u, like, okay, firstly we will search that if the number is repeating itself. If it is repeating itself, then only then remove it and add only it add that number only one time. So suppose I am not unable to I am unable to explain the logic today as I am so tired today. So let's start it from here. Let's say I have a number of one 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 two two 6 3 4, right? Now for that, what my logic is gonna do is, first it will check this number. If this number appears in next iterations, like from this 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will check in this iteration. If it is appearing, then it will delete it, it will not take it. Then it goes from here to here. It again checks it if there is any same number from here to the end of it. So there is no number, then it will add it. Similarly for 2, so this will be get cancelled because there is already 2 present next to it. Then it will check for another the second term. Then there is no next term, next 2 from here, so it will add 2 again. After that it will add the 6, similarly 3 and 4, because those all are unique. So I want to have this type of logic in this code. For that, what I will do, I will firstly use the for loop, like say for n, because these are numbers, and we will find n in the nums, right? uh, with We will write this for loop in a condition of if if our n is not not in a unique, obviously, which will be not, cause it's already an empty string, then we will append it. U dot append what we are going to append the n, right? So do you understand what I am doing here? So supposingly the number is 1 to 1, right? The input is let's say 121, right? And now it will go from here for number 1, and the condition is our list is already empty. This is our unique list. So if it is found this, then add this in it. Okay, it found 2, then it will add this 2. And if at last when it is going to add this one, it will first check unique. So in all cases, while adding to it, it also checks the unique list if 2 is already present or not. It's not present, that's why it added it. Similarly, for 1, it will not add because already 1 was given from here and 2 is already given here. So this is what like our unique key is creating. Unique list has been made up. Now what we are going to do, we want the length of it, and we want the numbers accurately, like in the sorted array. If it is in sorted way, then I want it in sorted way. So for that, it's very easy to make it. I will use a for loop again in it, but this time I will use it for the length of it. And for length, by I mean for I in range of length of view, so that it will be easy to make it like compare those both things. I will just add nums of I, because I'm calling the index, that's why I give the this type of bracket. Is equals should be is equals to, I don't want boolean, that's why I didn't use two equals to sign. Then I will use nums of I is equals to nums, no, we'll use unique of I, so that this both will be covered up correctly. Now what's left? Yes, return is left. Return what we are going to return is length of u, right? So first check our code by ourselves. I don't want any errors. So I have make the firstly I have given the list as empty. Then I'm searching it. If the number is not in u, then add the number in u. Suppose if say the same number comes, then it is u, then we are going to do nothing because we don't give any else, so it will not append eventually. Okay, and it stops there. It will make the full u. Then we are making the range from I, and we are making the range of searching in unique list. What we are going to do, we will make the index of nums similar to the unique of index. No, we are making unique of index similar to the nums of index. So I'm for that I'm indexing, I'm using this nums of 5 is equals to unique of 5. Wait a minute, I just found a syntax error. Okay, so similarly we have to focus it on code. Let's hope for the best. Okay, finally, after the 6 days, first time I have done a code without any syntax error or any kind of error. So we just got our test case accepted, and let's try to submit it, and let's check if our code is so okay. We are not beating many people's. 13,128 memory has been used. Okay, I have beat 88.87 peoples, but still. We are lacking something. What's the easiest code? Okay, make k is equals to 0 for I in range length of it if numbers are not equal to I plus. Okay, then k plus num is equals to k plus 1. Okay, I add it with the another number. Okay, it's basically giving, it's making so easy. It's looking like so easy, but it's not actually that much easy. I have to try it tomorrow by myself, behind the camera, behind the scenes. So this was it for today. I have submitted the code. Thank you for watching. Until then, goodbye. Take care. It's for me. It's today's. I don't tell you the time because I am posting it on YouTube. Also today, let me just quickly quickly show you the time if you can see it clearly. It's 5:03 more in the morning. I haven't slept. So thank you for watching. My voice is getting so overrated. I can't speak properly today. Don't know what will happen tomorrow.